Okay, so if you try to turn on your Amazon Fire tablet and it won't start up, it'll just hang on the Amazon logo and then shut down. I want you to try a couple of things to see if you can get back in. One would be the obvious, but a lot of people wouldn't realize this, is that you need to plug it up to the power source and let it charge for at least a good 20 minutes and then try again. Try again with it still being charged. So make sure you have the power adapter still in it and then see if that will fix your problem. If that doesn't work, try connecting it to a PC or a Mac, laptop or desktop, and see if you can get it running by doing that. And that'll, a lot of times that'll solve the problem. All right, if you've tried those two things, your last resort, well, before that, try another power supply. So it could be that you have a faulty power cord and it's not charging and you think that it is and it's not. So either use another power source or buy another power cord and try it that way and see if you can get it charged with another adapter. It could just be that your cord is broken. All right, now last resort would be to do a full factory restore, reset, and then what that's going to do? It's going to wipe out all your personal information. So hopefully you're backed up, and it's going to put your tablet back to out of the box state. If you can get into the factory restore, then it might fix your issue with it not starting up. To do a full factory restore, especially on the newer models, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down uh, the up volume button and the power button at the same time. On older models, it would just be the power and I believe the volume down button. So let's go ahead and try that. Power, volume up, and I'm holding it now for a few seconds. Just keep holding it. Okay, so when we get to this BIOS screen here, you see here it gives us the option to do a full factory reset. And so if you can get through that, that might fix your issue with you not being able to get into your tablet for it, with it hanging. All right, if I helped you, let me know and please subscribe.